Thank you for joining us on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling and Gino Fronte, where you get your daily dose of real estate market updates. And today we're going to go over this crazy market that we have going on between the stock market, interest rates going up, going down, what's affecting it, how it's going to affect it, where we're going.
Yeah, Don, looks like you just took some kung fu lessons. Well, obviously we're talking again about Greece. And the other one that's impacting the market, Don, is let's show them what Greece and China together have done for us. Lots of volatility. We see the thing moving up and down. And as Don likes to say, green is good, red is bad. So one morning we wake up and say, yay, rates are better.
Yep.
And by the afternoon, we're like, oh, they're worse.
Yeah, so this chart will show you that this was the last chart we showed you. Hey, the Greek were defaulting on their debt, and all of a sudden rates got better. So we're like, yay, like Gino said. And we had a heavy resistance, though. We warned you, don't get too greedy. So we're going to show you a bunch of different charts here and information that is affecting the market so you know why it's affecting the market.
Show us the next one here. So this is the stock market. When we're looking at the S&P, you can see that there was fear driven. So as the fear in the stock market comes down and you see all the red candles, that's when interest rates got better. As the fear goes away and it looks like Greek's going to slide a deal, interest rates are getting a little worse for you.
So we have it all over the place. Okay, so here's another factor. This next slide is going to talk about small business owners, what their optimism is like. And it was through the roof for quite some time, but it decreased by 5 points, and that is a lot. Yes, a technical term, Gino, but it came down a lot. And the big fear is that a lot of it was earnings, job openings, and company expansion, which each lowered by 5 points. So we're slowing down.
So the question is, if small business optimism goes down, is consumer confidence the next one to go down?
I think so.
I think so too.
I think you're going to see it because it was up high. Remember, though, one report does not make a trend. And when you have really great reports, the next one oftentimes can't keep up with it. So what we're saying is it's been a little more consistent. It's good that we don't get too hot. As Gino says, it helps control inflation, control expansion, control bubbles that everybody's worried about. What's nice is we're just going along at an even pace. Here's another report, retail sales, showing that the last ones were hot. This one, not so much.
You should see the words I see for this. Atrocious, a calamity. It's really not that bad, guys. It just offsets the last one that we had. So reality is, did it miss expectations? Yeah, it missed expectations, but is it going to ruin the United States that this report came out poorly? Absolutely not.
Yeah, well, instead of being up 0.3%, I was down 0.3%, but that's just going to, again, keep us very moderate at a slow growth, which is the best thing for our economy. Everybody wants that right now. They want consistency and know what to expect.
Yep, and it's been very hard to know what to expect in our world. When you look at interest rates, Don, it's, as we said earlier, the volatility is very high, and volatility is always driven by fear. So the more fear we have, the more volatility we have. And with what's at play right now with Greece, China, Puerto Rico, Illinois, there's so many different places that are unstable that it's creating fear for investors, continuing to drive people into bonds. So I don't think this is over yet, Don.
No, I agree. And the important thing is you see through this volatility, make sure you reach out to a professional. Reach out to a professional financial planner. Reach out to a professional mortgage planner that actually understands the markets like we do on a regular basis, or pay attention to the National Real Estate Cafe on a daily basis. You can get it sent to your phone easily by texting NREC to 58885. Thanks for tuning in. Tune in tomorrow. See what's brewing.